a very ghastly accident that has taken place today on this National Highway 66 stretch, which is the location is 521 plus 400 kilometers up to 520 to 150 kilometers. This is the technical term which indicates the location. This ghastly accident has happened not because of anything. It is completely the change in design. The original design done by the principal designer of the MoRTH, Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, has been surreptitiously changed without any authority of law, without following due process, and we have been fighting over this for the last 2 years. So the responsibility lies at the feet of the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, headed by Mr. Nitin Gadkari, the Goa State PWD headed by Mr. Digambar Kamath, the principal designer who allowed this change without authority of law under the MoRTH, and lastly the EPC contractor who has undertaken this work. If a thorough investigation is done, it will be revealed what I am saying is correct. The 2 lives that have been lost is not the end. The possibility is more lives would be lost, more people will get injured, there will be more damages if investigation doesn't take place and this is rectified.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.